Welcome to the world of dual-purpose riding, where the 2024 Yamaha TW200 stands as a beacon of versatility. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a passport to adventure, blending urban agility with off-road resilience. Embrace the freedom to explore, from cityscapes to landscapes, aboard this timeless classic. The TW200's design is iconic, with gallant gray hues accentuating its retro charm. Its extra-wide tires and low seat height invite riders of all statures, while the robust four-stroke engine hints at untapped trails waiting to be conquered. It's a design that's both functional and eye-catching. At the heart of the TW200 lies a 196cc air-cooled SOHC four-stroke engine, a powerhouse of reliability. With a 9.5:1 compression ratio and Mikuni 28mm fuel delivery, it delivers torque-rich performance, ideal for both city commuting and backwoods adventuring, ensuring a ride that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. The chassis of the TW200 is a marvel of engineering, featuring a 52.2-inch wheelbase and 10.4 inches of ground clearance. The 31.1-inch seat height and 278 pounds wet weight are balanced by a 25.8 degrees rake angle and 1.8-gallon tank capacity, creating a motorcycle that's nimble yet stable, lightweight yet capable. Comfort on the TW200 is paramount. The long two-tone motocross-style seat supports a balanced riding position, offering optimal movement and comfort. Whether navigating through urban traffic or traversing rugged trails, the TW200 ensures a pleasant journey from start to finish. The TW200 suspension system is built for the long haul. The 33mm telescopic front fork with 6.3 inches of travel absorbs the shocks of the road, while the single rear shock with 5.9 inches of travel maintains comfort and control, making every terrain feel like a smooth ride. Yamaha's commitment to safety shines with the TW200's braking system. The 220mm front disc brake offers responsive stopping power, while the 110mm rear drum brake complements it perfectly, ensuring that you can navigate through traffic or trails with confidence and ease. The TW200 doesn't shy away after dark. Its Enduro-style 60 to 55-watt halogen headlight casts a bright beam, illuminating the path ahead. High and low beams adapt to any situation, ensuring visibility and safety, no matter the time of day. Electronics on the TW200 are both modern and reliable. The maintenance-free CDI ignition system ensures precise spark, while the push-button electric start makes firing up the engine a breeze. It's technology that enhances the riding experience without complicating it. The TFT dashboard is your command center, providing full instrumentation at a glance. With a speedometer, odometer, and trip meter, alongside indicators for neutral, high beams, and turn signals, it keeps you fully informed and in control of your ride. The 2024 Yamaha TW200 is priced to empower adventure at $4,999. It's an investment in freedom, a ticket to explore the unknown, and a statement that fun doesn't have to break the bank. It's affordability meeting capability.